Today I'm a bit excited to give a Licious biryani review. It's really amazing. You people love it. You can have biryani in just half an hour of time. Then what for waiting? Shall we go for it? Yes? Here is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you again. So how are you all? Hope you're all keeping well. Hey Gideon. Before I get into the video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. So here comes biryani, the most exciting part. Have ordered this kolkata biryani on Licious store. I made biryani with the Licious instructions that were given on the pack. Do watch and go for it, because you can have good quality, hygienic biryani and it tastes good. It really fills your tummy without eating, because the aroma it has got, it is that pleasant, you can feel. It's not spicy but savory. So without any delay, we'll get into the process. Appreciate your presence and time for watching Licious biryani. So how is the biryani? Is it not simple and easy to make? Instant biryani? Thanks to Licious for bringing this cuisine on their menu.